mum wanted me to be an accountant, but I think my heart was somewhere else. Being an artist is quite challenging. I'm currently studying my Masters of Fine Arts at Wycliffe College of Art and Design. This work here is based on the act of cooking. The meal is the artifact, but it's the love that goes into making the meal which gives it its essence. I've sort of made that link between a lalanga circle where ladies are sitting around weaving and making fine mats, but the essence of those mats are all in the conversations which are part of the making. So it's that idea that the kitchen table is like the engine room of our homes. Its importance is slowly melting away. Well, I've got 5 kids. They definitely inspire me not only to push my work forward, but also question the establishment and institutions for their sake. My wife has always been supportive. This tattoo is sort of in dedication to her as well as, you know, the females in my family.
Whatever you do, do it.
Being an artist for me is about speaking out, and I feel that is lost within our PR communities because, you know, we tend to sort of go with the flow. I think for me it's about challenging those preconceived ideas of what a Samoan is. My name is Siliga Setoga, contemporary Pacific artist, and this is me.